This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your browser supports a menu bar. Go to Settings, then Appearance, and look for Menu Bar mode. Once enabled, make sure to restart the browser so changes apply cleanly. You should decide whether to pin the menu bar or set it to auto-hide. Pinning gives constant access, while auto-hide frees screen space. This first step gets the interface ready so you can navigate menus immediately and avoids interruptions later. You move through the core menus. File opens new windows and saves sessions, Edit handles find and replace, and View controls toolbars and zoom. Once done, use History to restore recent tabs and bookmarks to organize quick access pages. Tools or Extensions manages add-ons and settings. Make sure to watch the keyboard shortcuts listed beside menu items. Learning those reduces clicks and keeps you efficient. If you modify menus or you finalize by customizing menu entries and adding favorites so your most used actions are one click away. Test your workflow. Open typical sites, use the menu sequence you intend to follow, and verify keyboard shortcuts execute correctly. Once satisfied, make sure settings are synced or exported. If an expected menu item is missing or behaves oddly, reset the menu layout first. If that fails, disable and reinstall the related extension, or restart the browser to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.